This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Julenn Keeling. Call me cute and then call me home. This lovely home features a contemporary floor plan west/unique exposed beams and stairs, 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths, living and dining rooms, first floor bedroom west/access to full bath upstairs, master bedroom west/large walk-in closet, all new plumbing last year, huge flat fully fenced backyard west/deck, sits on over a half-acre private lot. Don't delay, call today. For more information, review the details below.